Hey, so if your Canva Docs sharing isn't working, like you're trying to send a link and uh, it just doesn't open or others can't access it, yeah, that's pretty frustrating. But don't worry, in most cases, it's a quick fix. I'll walk you through it step by step, so let's get into it. First, check your sharing permissions. Make sure the link is set to anyone with the link or the correct access level, like view or edit. Next, if you're sharing with specific people, make sure you entered the correct email address. Yeah, even a small typo can block access. All right, now check your internet connection. Sharing updates won't apply properly if your connection is unstable. Sometimes, the issue is just a temporary glitch. Refresh the page and try sharing again. If it still doesn't work, log out of your Canva account and log back in. I know it sounds simple, but it can fix syncing and permission issues. Next, try opening Canva in a different browser or device. Sometimes browser-related bugs can stop sharing from working properly. Also, extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools can interfere with sharing features. Try disabling them temporarily and test again. And yeah, sometimes the issue isn't on your side. Canva servers might be down or having issues, so check their status page or recent updates. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. One of these steps should fix Canva Docs sharing issues. Once it's working, you'll be able to send links without any problems. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.